Hello students, in my today's video I will be covering the different steps that are involved in website development process. The first step is known as requirement analysis. And what do we do in this step? In this step, we decide the purpose of our website. Why are we building a particular website? After understanding the purpose, we should identify the target users for whom are we designing this particular website. And then we have to decide the features and the contents that will be displayed on our website. For example, if you take an example of the college website, then what a college website should have. So it should have home tag, courses, admissions, contact us, etc. Right? The second step is planning. Once you understand the purpose, your target users, and once you decide the features and the contents that you want to display on your website, the next step is planning. In this planning, we are supposed to design a site map as well as the navigation structure of our website. In an example, you see this is the home page, and in our home page we have the different tags known as about, courses, contact. So this is at a very abstract level that I am showing you. We can always have a site map. What are we going to display inside the about, inside the courses, inside the contact, etc. Okay. So once we create the site map and the navigation structure of our website, we decide the technologies that we are going to use to design or develop our website. Next step, the third step is designing. Here we start actual work. Okay, so we start designing the page layout, we start designing the user interface, and to do that we create wireframes and mockups. Okay, and the tools used to create the wireframes or the mockups are Figma, Adobe XD, Canva, etc. Next step is development step. Here we convert our design, whatever design we created, we start converting it into the working website. That means we start actually coding. So for example, write the code using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, add the backend. If we need a database, so we add the backend and database if required. Example is HTML for structure of our web page, CSS for styling the web page, JavaScript for interacting with the user. Fifth step is testing step. This is very important step because whenever we develop a particular product, we cannot launch our product in the market without testing that product. Okay. So in this testing phase, we check the functionality and the performance of our website. Then we fix the error if any, and then test in different browsers. Okay. There are different types of testing. Few of them are functional testing, compatibility testing, etc. The next step or the step number 6 is the deployment step. In this step, we actually upload our website to the web server and make our website live. That means user can see our website and start using our website. The next step and the last step is the maintenance step. So in this maintenance step, we update the content if required and fix the issues if found by our users, and also improve the performance and provide the security to our website. That's all for the day. Thank you.